Guys, welcome to today's lesson on skimming. In today's lesson we are going to be cleaning up this place. So you can see initially I've removed these beams here. I've also done this. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to turn off layers which we are not using, like the grid layer, then the architectural wall layer. I'm going to turn them off. So I'll do that, select that, then turn the window off which I'm not using, turn the doors, turn this off, and also so you can see I forgot to place a beam along this cantilever here. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo it, and I'll just copy this beam and place it there. So copy it, then place and extend. Okay, so once I turn everything off, I will extend it, then trim everything. So turn this off also. Yes, turn it off. Okay, so we are done with that. This also, and this is for the staircase. So I didn't put a beam here, so I'm going to place it back once I turn everything on. Okay, so before that I'm going to start trimming. So I wish to chamfer, but I can't chamfer because the place is not coplanar. So I'm going to trim, which is the trim command. Select this, trim, also trim. Then I can decide to stretch this one out. Turn on your auto or press F8 on your system, then extend. Okay, so extend it, trim this, and we'll go about this. So do the same thing for this, do the same thing for this, trim them very well. Okay, also trim them at this point. This also trim it, starting at this corner. I'll do the same thing. Since you're not coplanar, it will be difficult for me to match property or to chamfer. So extend it, then I trim it. Okay, then we have that, we have this, we have this. We'll do this, we'll do this. So stretch this also. Okay, then extend. Okay, so trim it. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to extend this to this place. So I will just select this line, select, extend it, and do this also. So I'm leaving this along this axis, so I think I'm okay with this. I don't need to stretch it into it, so I'll just trim it, leave it whichever way I want, and check it with the architectural. So I can decide to trim, I can decide to extend. So if I trim, this is what happens. It's going to terminate at this point. So I want it to extend to this place. I'm going to turn off all other layers I'm not using. Turn this off, turn this off, turn my windows off. I'm not using them. Okay, so turn my grid lines. I can leave my grid lines for now and move on with this. So I can see on my grid line 2, I'm going to create a new, so offset 115. Okay, and bring it. So you see, if I try to chamfer, it gives me the warning that your lines are not coplanar. So you can see it. I can't chamfer because the architect had made the plan this way. So I just match property, then trim. Okay, so select this, trim. Okay, then also I select this at this point, then trim also at this point. Okay, and this point to trim. Okay, so select this to trim, and select this to trim. So you can see I have something tangible. So I'm going to turn off this also. I'm not using it. Turn this off also. Okay, I'm just going to copy this, copy it. Yes, turn this one on, turn it off, delete it. Then I have the normal architectural and my structural. So I'll continue trimming it to make everything presentable. So I will be chamfering them, save time, and just chamfer this. I think this is done already. Okay, select this as my chamfering point, then chamfer again. Select this, spacebar to repeat command, spacebar to repeat command. Okay, spacebar to also repeat command. So I'm repeating them. So I want to trim this place. Okay, Okay, so I just chamfer these places, make it neat. So there are double lines at that point. I'll select one and delete one, delete it. Okay, chamfer also. Okay, so you can see if I don't trim this place, it just cause of the light. So I'll trim it and chamfer it, or right click and repeat command. So chamfer. Okay, so you can see we've not trimmed that point, so we can't do anything there. So I'll just trim it here. Once I trim, I don't really need to chamfer. Okay, with chamfer in.